Okay, so this is just a quick overview of Okeanos and Zephyros, just to explain how it works and how to set it up. So first thing you want to do is start up Zephyros. It won't do anything when you start it. It's just going to run in the background, waiting for you to do something. So second thing you want to do is clone in from the GitHub repository for Okeanos, just to download the files and get a copy of them. CD into that folder, and then you'll need to make sure you have Node.js installed. You can use that using like Homebrew, like yeah, something like that. But I'm sure you can figure that out. So basically, once we have that set up, we can just install the dependencies using npm install from inside that folder, and now just download a bunch of projects that are required that we use in this. Not much. When we set into the demo folder, this is where I've got a script I'm using to set it up, and we just use coffee demo.coffee, and now we'll just start the script. And you can see it's done something because in the log we got a bunch of keyboard shortcuts being defined. So that means we can start using keyboard shortcuts to move windows around. So basics are moving up and down, left and right. You can like resize them by holding down a different keyboard shortcut. You can see how it's sort of like stuck on this grid. Yeah, it's like the fixed interval. That is completely fixable, and we can like change it while we're using Okeanos just by another keyboard shortcut, and to actually say what it actually is. So we've got a 10 by 6 grid here. So it's like 10 columns and 6 rows, or yeah, 10 columns, 6 rows. So like move up and down. Pretty useful feature is the what have we done? Is the automatic sort of focusing that you get in a lot of tiling window systems, to be able to just switch between windows by their position. So if I just put a couple here, you can see that I can like switch between just by a single keyboard shortcut. This works with like any application, it's not just item. So if you like resize down here, make a new one, fill up that space, and then put like a tiny one maybe over here. Oh, you can't go that thin. Move that there. It's not perfect, like as you can see, like moving. Some windows can't be resized to be too small, but it works well enough so that you can usually get what you want. Yeah, so the grid system is flexible. The gap between the windows is also flexible, so I can like increase the gap, or I can like make it tiny, so it's like suit the taste. Go all the way down to like 0. Just have like a tiny gap. Yeah, that's about it. The last thing I want to talk about is just setting up Zephyros to automatically start the script. You just want to add that bash command script to the Zephyros preferences, so that whenever Zephyros starts, or like you can use it to relaunch a script if you make a change to it, it will automatically run Okeanos in the background. So if you like relaunch config script, it'll make it handle it. We don't even have to have a terminal open because it's handled by that, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so we just like start a new item. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you.